Hello viewer, we are in Photoshop, so let's generate the different features. I will create the designs there. We will keep on making the different designs to use so that they can use a lot of options. Now we will pick up that elliptical tool to create a design. So there we have. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.